All right, design class. So the next thing that we are going to do today is we are going to add a place on your designs, on each one of your pie pieces. We're going to add a place for tints, tones, shades, and complements. Okay? So if you remember from last week, these were some of the things that were talked about on one of those worksheets that you filled out. So on our color wheel, we're going to go ahead, we're going to try to make some different places for those different things. Tints, tones, shades, complements. What I'm going to do is just kind of up at the top of my pie piece, I might draw in a way to separate this area. So what I'm going to do, I think, is I'm going to put a little dot kind of in the center of my circle there. And I'm going to draw a line from my corner to right there. Now, yours does not have to look like this. This is just one way to do it. And I kind of like that. Because remember, your shape might be different from mine. I use that big circle. So I kind of like that. So in this case, I would have a place for tints, tones, shades. And then if I wanted, I could have a spot down here for my complements. So if I just lightly write a T for tint, TO for tone, and a shade like that. Okay? So then what I would do is on each one of these, I would go back and I would start making that design. And I really like that way that looks. So I'm going to keep doing that. And like I said, yours doesn't have to look just like this one. It could be something totally different. Other ways I could break it up, I could literally just go like that. Like that. So I would have tint, tone, shade, but it's just a little different way to do that. If I wanted to, I could even do it one way here and another way here. I guess that's up to you. It'd be just a different design. I'm going to keep going with this one probably here, but like I said, that is one way for you to do it. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to start putting my design on. Trying to be as approximate as I can, or close to, getting them centered so that they all look the same. That. I'm hoping. Okay. I gotta keep turning here. So if you're doing straight lines, again, remember from the last video I showed, just make sure you have some sort of straight edge, even if it's not a ruler. Lots of things in your house have a nice straight edge. I got off just a little bit on that one. I need to get a better eraser. This one's not doing the job. Okay. Almost done. This is where I gotta get that other eraser, because this one I have on my pencil is not very good. So again, remember, this is your design, so you can do it however you want to break that space up. Remember, tints, tones, shade, and then another one for the complements. Okay. And that's what it might look like. Okay.